Welcome back to our channel. Today we diving into the world of Azithromycin. In this video, we'll dive into everything you need to understand about azithromycin, its uses, dosage, and potential side effects. Azithromycin belongs to a class of antibiotics known as macrolides. It works by inhibiting the growth of bacteria, making it effective against a wide range of bacterial infections. Commonly, it's prescribed for respiratory infections like bronchitis, pneumonia, as well as ear infections, sinusitis, and even some sexually transmitted infections. Azithromycin is available in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and oral suspensions, depending on the type and severity of the infection. The dosage may vary. The most common regimen is a single dose of 500 milligrams on the first day, followed by 250 milligrams once daily for the next 4 days. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions closely. Like all medications, azithromycin can cause side effects. The most common ones include nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain. Though rare, some people may experience more severe reactions, such as an irregular heartbeat or severe allergic reactions. It's all about azithromycin. I hope this video helpful for you. Thanks for watching.